Hi, I'm Elle, and today I'm going to show you a foolproof method of cooking juicy and flavorful chicken for your salads. Cold dry chicken, stop cold. Start with 4 trimmed boneless chicken breasts wrapped in plastic wrap. Then pound the thick ends until they're 3/4 of an inch thick. We're making sure the chicken's thickness is uniform so it cooks at a uniform rate. Now whisk 4 quarts of cool water with 2 tablespoons of salt in a large Dutch oven and employ our secret weapon, a steamer basket. This, like the pounding method, will ensure even cooking. Arrange the chicken in the steamer basket without any overlap. Then submerge the basket in the Dutch oven. It's poaching time. Poaching the chicken in the steamer basket keeps the chicken off the floor of the pot where it would heat unevenly. Set your burner to medium and stir occasionally till you reach a sub-simmer around 175 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then turn it off, cover the pot, and remove it from the burner. Bringing the water to 175 degrees will cook the chicken through, but it won't overcook. Let the residual heat finish the cooking until the chicken registers 160 degrees. This will take another 17 to 22 minutes. Transfer the chicken to a cutting board and let it cool for 10 to 15 minutes. Then shred or thinly slice the warm chicken according to your salad recipe and enjoy perfectly cooked meat that's tender and juicy. Thanks for watching. Tell us what you thought of this how-to in the comments below and hit that subscribe button.